Hello, we are going to find square of any number. Before starting the class, you have to remember the square of the number from 1 to 10. That is 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9 and so on. Now let's find square of the number 12. Before proceeding, let's consider 1 as A and 2 as B. Okay, now let's see how we will find the square of the number. First we have to write square of the number B, which is 4, and just add a 0 before it. Then write square of the number A, that is 1, and just before add a 0 before it like before, and multiply this number 1, 2 and the number which is in the power, that is 2, which will be 1 into 2 into 2, that is 4. Now write 4 just a place before the digit, that is here. Now simply add them. We will get 144. That is the square of the number 12. Okay, next proceed to the next. We will find the square of a 3-digit number. Just notice the similarity. Here we consider the last digit as B and the rest of the digit as A, which is 11. Now we write the square of the digit B, which is 9, and add a 0 before it. Now we write square of the digit 11, which is 1, 2, 1. Okay. Now calculate A into B into the number which is in the power, that is 2. Okay. Then we will get 11 into 3, that is 33. 33 into 2 equal to 66. And we will write 66 just before the last digit, which is here. Okay. So we will get 9, 6, 7, 2, 1. Okay. So it is the answer. Look, 1, 2, 7, 6, 9. Yes, you have learned it. Okay. Let's find another new trick. Okay, we will find square of the number which ends with 5. You can just follow the last method, or you can simply follow the method I will teach you now. We have to write square of the number 5, which is 25. Okay, and before that, we will write the result of multiplication, which we will get by multiplying 6 and the number just after 6, which is 7. Now we will get the number 4225. You get it? This is this number. This is the square of the number. Okay. Let's take another number. Just take 35. Okay. For 35, we will write square of the number 5, which is 25, and we will multiply 3 and the number next to 3, which is 4. Then we will get 3 into 4 equal to 12. We just write 12 here. It is the number if we square the number 35. Okay. Okay. Let's move to the next. Okay. We will learn how to get cube of any number easily. Okay. Okay. Here we also consider the last digit as A and the before digit as B, or vice versa. Like like the last digit as B and the first digit as A. You can do whatever you want. See, we will write cube. Before proceeding, we have to learn cube of the number from 1 to 9. That is, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, and so on. Okay. Now we write cube of the number B, that is 8, and we will add 2 0. Remember 2 0. We have added 1 0 while we squaring, and we will add 2 0 while we will make a cube. Okay. Now write cube of the number A, which is 27, and add 1 0. That is making the digit a 3-digit number. Okay. And during square we will make the number a 2-digit number. Get it? Okay. Now we have to multiply the number A, B, and the number which is in the power. That is 3 into 2 into 3, that is 3 into 2 equal to 6 into 3 equal to 18. And we have to multiply the number 18 with the number itself, that is 32. Okay. So we will get 576 here, and we will discuss the shortcut of multiplication in another video. Okay. Now write 576, 1 digit before the last digit, that is here. Now simply add those and you will get you the result. So 8, 6, 7, 2 and 3. Okay. So this is your number, that is 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. Okay. This is the result. How to get square root of any number? Before proceeding with any number, we have to learn that there are two types of number, which are perfect square and non-perfect square. Now which is perfect square number? That is, when we will make square root of any number, we will get a whole number, that is natural number. And while we square root any number and we will get a decimal number, that is not a perfect square, that is a non-perfect square number. Okay, let's proceed. Now before proceeding, we have to again remember the square table from 1 to 9. Now tell me, when we get 9, we get 9 when we square 3 or 7. So the unit digit of the square root of the number must be 3 or 7. Okay. So we get two possibilities. Now write the unit digit and let's make the last two digit as 0. Okay. Now let's talk about 5, which is the before and after square digit of the number 5. Yes, you were right. The after square digit is 9 and the before square digit is 4. Now add 2 0 in it as well. Now this is the square of the number, what is 20. Okay. And 900 is square of the number 30. So it is clear that square root of the number 5 to 9 is between 20 and 30. So here we get the answer as 23 or 27. Okay. 23 or 27. Now we have to find which is the right answer. Now let's see, 5 to 9 is closer to 400 or 900. Yes, it is closer to 400, which is square root of 20. Now between this number, find which number is closer to 20. Yes, the number is 23. 23 is closer to 20, so our answer is 23. Hence, the answer square root of 5 to 9 equal to 23. Next, proceed with the next. We have the number 9801. We have to find square root of this number. Okay. Okay. If you have 1 in the last digit, you will get 1 or 9. Okay. Now proceed with the number 9, 8 and add 2 0 behind 8. Now take the number 98. Tell me which is the before and after square number of the 8 digit of the number 98. Yes, it is 100 and just before it we have 81. That means the number is between which is 9 square and 10 square. That means the digit before 9 or 1 is between 90 to 100. That means it will be 9, 91 or 99. Okay. So we have possibility of 99 or 91. Now okay, now we proceed with the next. Here we have the number 9801. That means last digit is 1. If last digit is 1, then the unit digit will be either 9 or 1. Then we have to find the first digit. Now take the number 98. We know the next square digit is 100 and the before square digit of 98 is 81. Okay, add just 2 0 after all these number. Hence we get 9800 is lying between 100 square and 90 square. That means the unit digit must be between 90 and 100. That is the unit digit will be 9. Now we have to find which will be the answer. Is it 99 or 91? Okay. Let's find which is closer to the number 9800. Obviously it's 10,000. That means 10,000 means square of 100. Now find which number between 99 and 91 is closer to 100. Yes, it's 99. Then our answer will be 99. Okay. So we get our answer that square root of 9801 equal to 99. Okay. We proceed with the next non-perfect square. Here is our next problem. That is non-perfect square. So non-perfect square number are simply those upon square rooting the number we don't get a whole number, that is we will get a decimal number. Now let's find a formula which is root x plus minus y by 2 root x. Okay, remember that. Okay, remember that. Now we will express 15 as a subtraction or addition of any square number. Now we write 15 as 16 minus 1. We write 16 as it is closer to 15 and it is a square number. Okay. Now we will write the formula which is root 16 and we write plus minus. Here the sign is minus, so we'll take minus y y, here x is the square number and y is the non-square number. Okay, so we write y, sorry, we will put the value of y, which is 1, and the number as we have seen in the formula. So we will get 4 minus 1 by 2 into 4, that is 4 minus 1 by 8. And for 1 by 8, the decimal value of 1 by 8 is 0.125. And if you get the number, we will get 3.875, which is the answer. Okay, you will get it. Now for your homework, you will calculate square root of the number 226. Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, cube root of any number. I'm telling you, this is the easiest amongst all. We denote cube root as this, or we just put a bracket and in power there is 1 by 3. Also, for square we can write this, or the number and to the power there is half. Okay, either or. Okay, let's find the cube of the number this. Before finding cube root, we have to learn the chart. That is, if last digit is 1, then cube root will be 1, and for cube also. For 2 it will be 8, for 3 it will be 7, for 4 it will be 4, for 5 it will be 5, for 6 it will be 6, for 7 it will be 3, for 8 it will be 2. That is, every number will be similar except 2, 3, 7 and 8. It will be like this. For 2, the cube number will be 8, and for 3 cube number will be 7, and vice versa. And also for cube root, if the unit digit is 2, then the number must be 8, and if the unit digit is 7, the cube root will be 3, and vice versa. Okay, let's move to the question. Let's find cube root of this number. First, separate the last 3 digit number. Okay, we see the last digit is 1, then must be the cube root, the unit digit of the cube root will be 1. Okay, now we have to find the first digit. Okay, let's take the number 2 to 6. Find out which are the before and after cube digit of the number 2 to 6. Now the before cube digit is 216 and the after cube digit is 343. Now add 30 after every number, which is this and this. Now let's find 343 is cube of 7. That means 343,000 is cube of 70. And 216 is cube of 66 and the whole number is cube of 60. Clearly the given number lie between 60 and 70. Then it must be 61. Now you can tell, ma'am, why don't you take the number 7? Because if we take 7, then it must be the given number should be greater than 343,000, right? But it is not. It is less than 343. So we take the number 6. Okay? You get my point? Okay. Let's move to the next question. Here is a 7-digit number. This is interesting. To find cube of any number, I told you to remember cube from 1 to 9. Now you have to remember cube of the number 11 and 12 also. Cube of the number 11 is 1331 and cube of the number 12 is 1728. You have to remember it. Okay, let's move with the question. Now just before this, separate the last 3-digit number. Separate the last 3-digit number, which is 208. You see there is the number 208. That means the unit digit must be 2. Okay, now write 1061. Now tell me what will be the next cube digit and what will be the before cube digit. Yes, you were right. The next cube digit will be 1331 and the before cube digit will be 1000. Okay. Now add 30 after this. Now tell me which is the cube root of this number 1331. Yes, it is 110 and this is 100 cube. Clearly the cube root of the number lie between 100 and 110, but it does not exist 110. Okay, so we will get 102 as our answer. Okay. Till then, bye bye.